Good morning, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness, and today what we're going to be doing is moving from the back to the front. Yes, the back's not 100% complete, and we'll circle back to that in a minute. To be quite frank, we're going to go back there and connect the sway bar that we have for the back. And after we take off the front subframe of the car. Today's tool of choice, from what I think I recall, is a 17 millimeter. Patience. You need to disconnect the brake lines. For me, that's a 7/16 and a 14 millimeter, but you can use the full metric equivalent instead of hybriding them. I don't really know how that works for you, but I'm not going to question it. Whatever works for you, works for you. This is not some form of ultimatum, and this is not the way you need to do it, but this is the way I'm doing it. So today, I'm going to take off the subframe, we're going to disconnect the steering rack, and we're going to pull this bad boy down. I don't remember what size the nuts are on the top of the hat for the front shocks, but we're going to take those off too. So, that's going to be happening. Let's go do this. Wear safety equipment. Don't be a hoodlum. If you're ever wondering why we even pull off this thing was leaking like there was no tomorrow. Steering rack. And we need to reinforce this with some more welding bits from Garagistic, or Garagistic, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Outside of that, come on, really? That sucks. I don't feel like. And this chaotic moment is brought to you by trying to get shit done. Woo! Shit! Alright. We're gonna leave this. We need to clean that up and figure out how we're gonna approach that as this moves forward. But we need to go to the back and go do this one thing that I was talking about. So, let's go do that. We're back. All you're seeing is my short ass head, but enough about my receding hairline. Alright, this is what's going on. Garagistic have these, I think they're 19mm sway bars. An upgrade to the flimsy ass ones that they had back here. And we need to bore 2 holes. Now, one hole is clearly visible. The same thing needs to be done on the opposite side, but I'd like to say, I like the way these looks, man. They're adjustable from all angles. Like this is real nice stuff. So we're gonna add something else to the back here while we're waiting on other things to come through to finalize the back. And we're also, yeah, let's gonna focus on this. So this is what we're gonna do. Need to bore a hole in here, and then we're gonna have to take it off and measure how far back the other one is from this hole, and hopefully we can do that from upstairs and bore the hole for the other one. So that's what's gonna happen. What the fuck? So, this is what's going on. This is the hole that was visible. This is the hole on the other side, so we're going to measure from here to approximately here and measure it on the inside of the trunk. And we're going to bore another hole so that we can bolt it up or attach it from top side also. So, that's what's going to happen. We'll be back. These are the mounting points inside, but as you can see, as far as I'm concerned, they're too... It's kind of just reinforced against the metal, and it's kind of thin. So the next time we're back, I think I'm going to cut out like little tabs running along lengthwise and put them in there so that, I don't know, so I feel a little bit more comfortable about somewhat of the rigidity of it. But this is what's going on top side, and this is the after effects of all of that. Let's go down underneath and kind of somewhat snug up the rest of the end links and what have you. The car needs to be placed on its weight to truly adjust these, or to get them to get back to where they should be. But this is it. It's all secured. Wait, yeah, there you are. It's all secured. It's on here, but it still needs to be. It needs to be tightened down. Car under pressure to get the true perks of it, but all of that's to come. It's just another securing point and putting on little bits as we continue to move forward with the build. So until next time, peace.